Good morning! Nothing beats a great early morning jog across Jiak Bridge by the Singapore River. Having a cup of coffee at Robertson Quay before leaving your dream home to start your day at work or play. Hello Linda!
Hi Agnes, welcome to Riviere. My name is Linda from One Global Group.
This apartment building looks absolutely gorgeous. I was so charmed by it when I jogged around just now.
Each story is 36-story high with a sky deck on level 37 and a total of 455 residential units.
Wow, that sounds great! And what are the different types of apartments available?
We have 1 to 4 bedroom suites and some with private lift.
And when can buyers collect their keys?
Expected T.O.P will be Q4 2022.
That sounds great! Can you bring me around?
Sure, my pleasure. Let's go. Okay, this 1 bedroom suite, which is 560 square feet, is definitely suitable for a single lady like you.
And this nice island kitchen, is that suitable for my cooking and baking?
Yeah, they are using of all the top quality branded equipment from Germany. You will definitely enjoy your cooking over the weekend.
Wow. And this looks like a Swiss-made Frank sink. Wow, there's even a German Boss washer cum dryer.
If you enjoy buying shoes, this was definitely a good space for you to store for your shoes.
Wow, it's great for shoe collection. Except that I don't wear them as often now since I work from home nowadays.
I see, work from home. Come, Agnes, let me show you. This is another space which you definitely enjoy during your work from home.
Awesome! It's like a makeshift home office.
Yes. Do you imagine, while sitting over here, you have a 270 unblocked view of the Singapore River.
It makes a really nice environment when I work from home.
Yes, it will take away all your stress. Here, Agnes, this is a bedroom where you can see that this is a king-size bed. It even allows you to place 2 side tables.
Wow! Looks spacious.
Yes, it is.
The washroom has nice Italian marble tiles and flooring.
Where the ensuite come with luxurious fittings, including the toilet bowls which come with remote control and the umbilical shower head set.
Wow! And the shower niche is just perfect for holding all my favorite toiletries.
Fantastic. This is a 2-bedroom, so it comes with 818 or 840 square feet. It depending on yourself whether you prefer the open concept kitchen or an enclosed kitchen. This is a common room. You can see that this is a super single bed itself, but don't be surprised that you actually can place a queen size bed as well.
Really?
Yes, I know it's very rare in the market, but in Riviere, you can do it.
Wow, I can even invite a guest over to stay in this room.
Definitely. Come, Agnes, let me show you this 3-bedroom.
Is the kitchen located on the right again?
No, you'll be surprised that this is actually utilities room. Or let's say that if you need it to be a helper room, it can be converted into a helper's room as well. For this 3-bedder itself, we actually come with a stove. And let's say that you are doing some heavy cooking, not to worry that the smell will stay inside because it actually comes with a window as well.
Extra ventilation sounds good.
Yes. At Riviere, there's only 35 exclusive 4-bedroom of 2002 square feet. This is actually a dry kitchen. So it comes with a wet and a dry kitchen. And this fantastic dry kitchen area, you can use it as a dining area as well.
Is it like a mini bar?
Yes, it is. And it comes with a wine chiller below for your guests.
Ooh.
It comes with an oven as well as the plate warmer.
Oh, this is great.
Yes, which you rarely see it in most of the new projects. This is a junior master suite. If let's say that a teenager would like to have his own attached bath, this is definitely perfectly. Or for your parents, they will also prefer with an attached bath. This will meet their requirement perfectly.
Yeah.
With 3-panel wardrobe, it's definitely more than enough for them for their own needs. Let me show you another thing, the he and she. So he can take his time, you can take your time. You do not have to rush each other for it.
Oh, great. Then I can do my makeup nicely and slowly.
You're right. With all the top quality, you'll definitely enjoy it. I love this balcony so much because of the 270-degree often view of Singapore River,
Wow.
which is very rare in the market.
Could you tell me what's unique or advanced about Riviere?
Sure, at Riviera, you will enjoy the state-of-the-art and the smart home technologies. Access the lift lobby with face recognition. Pre-register your visitor, which allows them to enter the building seamlessly. Pre-book the facility using your mobile app.
Speaking of facilities, what are the amenities that are exclusive to Riviere?
Sure, on the ground floor, you can find a lap pool, gym, and as well a clubhouse where you can host your guests. The sky deck on the level 37, you will enjoy a trampoline where the kids will enjoy themselves lots, a reading and a dining pavilion where you can host your client. The two towers are linked by a bridge where you can host your guests over there and enjoy the panoramic view of Singapore skyline from the top.
Now that I've seen how luxurious your en-suites look on the inside, can you convince me why it's a good location?
The Riviera is well connected by the road, the rail, and the river. We are located in between of two MRT stations, which is the upcoming Thomson Line. To get to the CBD area, it's just 5 to 8 minutes drive away. Even the Orchard area, which is just 5 minutes away. If let's say that you would like to look for the hipster or hawker food, which is the well-known Tiong Bahru market, it is just 10 minutes drive away. Look at how convenient is the location.
Wow, sounds like the Riviera is even a good property investment choice.
Definitely. Now, let me help you to lock in the unit for you.
Thank you, Linda, for bringing me around.
My pleasure, Ernest.
I think I'm quite certain on which apartment I like, but what about you? If you want to find out more about the Riviera, please look for Linda to inquire about price or arrange for your viewing appointment.
My name is Linda. I'm from One Global Group. Reach out to me and let me select your dream home at Riviera.